How to transfer from Trust Wallet to Phantom. This tutorial will show you how to move Solana from your Trust Wallet to your Phantom wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app. On the home screen, find Solana in your token list or use the search bar to locate it by typing Solana or SOL. If you don't have any Solana, you can purchase it directly in Trust Wallet by tapping the buy button, entering the desired amount in USD, and following the prompts to complete the purchase. Once you have Solana in your wallet, tap on it and then tap the send button. Trust Wallet will ask for a recipient address. To get this, open your Phantom wallet, tap receive, and copy the Solana address that is displayed. Return to Trust Wallet and paste the copied address into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of Solana you wish to send. You can also add a note in the optional memo field. Tap next. Review the transaction details on the confirmation screen, and if everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The transfer should take about 3 to 5 minutes to complete, after which the Solana will appear in your Phantom wallet.